lighting good? Like, can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Woo! So here's the other web show thingy bobber. We're gonna like do this.
We're gonna explode soda.
Okay, hold on.
I don't think it's should come enough.
No, I can't do it.
I'm so scared to do it.
Okay, ready?
No! You do it first.
Are we just gonna like shake them when we open them too?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
You open yours first.
No, we're gonna do it at the same time. Ready? Count 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm covered in soda. Don't get me wet.
And then, ow! What?
Whoa!
You covered me?
Dude, I'm like soaked. Is there a towel?
Do you have any more? Wait, here's this thingy. Oh, it's still going. Do you have any more?
Oh,
Your forehead. Wait. Oh, what if that was your mom?
we're wasting our soda.
It didn't spew very much.
Look at it.
Ready?
Hard. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Why not open?
My dad's gonna kill me, dude.
What?
Dude, we can stop when my mom comes home.
Are these hers?
Woo! Okay, so yeah, look at the mess we made. Woo! Okay, so peace out, people. Woo! Night. How do I stop it? I'm not gonna stop it.